Okay, let's look at this number 14. Which statement about the function f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 3 plus 4 is true? Well, I'm going to go ahead and graph that. X minus 3, absolute value x minus 3 plus 4. All right, the first thing they want us to check is said the domain is x is greater than or equal to 3. Well, the domain is all of the x values that are in the function. So look what happened if I actually plotted the domain, which what they said was, they said it was x greater than or equal to 3. Did we cover the entire function with this domain? Nope. We got all the x values here, but what about these? So x greater than or equal to 3 is not the domain of this function. It actually is the entire real number line, because if you go all the way to the left, the x values go all the way to the left and they go all the way to the right. So that doesn't work. So let's check. What about, is the range all the real numbers? Well, the range is the bottom, the lowest part of the graph, to the highest part of the graph. The lowest part of this graph is right here at y equals to 4. So right here. And then the highest part of the graph, the top, it goes on to infinity. So we can say that the range of this graph is y greater than or equal to 4. That's the range of this graph, from the bottom to the top. And so they said the range was all real numbers. It is not, because all this part is not all of the numbers. It's just, y is just the numbers bigger than 4. So we know that that's not true either. What about the axis of symmetry? It says the axis of symmetry is x equals to negative 3. Well, I'm going to draw that. X equals to negative 3. Is this the symmetry, the axis of symmetry of that? No. This is x equals negative 3. Actually, x plus 3 is the axis of symmetry. So that's not it. So that means that the only thing that could possibly be true about this graph is that the minimum value of the function is 4. And let's go to the minimum value of the function. If we click on it, our lowest point, our lowest value of the function is 4. Right here at the vertex. The vertex is a minimum, and so the lowest value of y is 4. So that lets you know that the minimum value of this function is 4, because at the vertex you have the point 3, 4. So that's your minimum value. And so if I just want to make that explicit, this is all the stuff that we checked. So the minimum value of the function is 4. You just look at the y value of the vertex. And that is this video.